Hello YouTubers, it's Chris, and today what we're going to work on is a KitchenAid dishwasher. Now, this machine might be considered thoroughly depreciated by all means and measures, and it has multiple problems with it, but what the heck, you know, can't beat the return policy of the dump. The most incriminating is it's full of mold and all kinds of gunk. It just looks like it hasn't been cleaning. I'm not really sure how to explain this. Maybe cold water, maybe it's just been sitting in a barn for, and I'm sure this is thoroughly illegal in 50, if not 51 states. But I just have the wires going into a plug here, and it's grounded, so it's more than half safe. And then I also have the water supply going to a hose attachment that I rigged up under here. And there's a bucket for the discharge right here. So I dimmed the lights here a little bit, and there's a couple of problems. A number of these buttons just they're not working. So this one works. This one's not working. Energy saver dry is not working. High temp scrub's working. So we're going to take a look. Take this. We'll disconnect this ribbon right here. We'll take this off. Pop that out. All right, so take this off. I see one burnt looking contact right there. It actually looks like there's some loss of continuity on it. Although I push on it, it doesn't feel like it's the back of this unit right here. But we'll try to solder it up. And I don't know, it's the quickest thing to do. So what I did was I actually put a little bead of solder on here. Just standard soldering iron, some solder, bit of no corrode flux. But there's a nice little bead of solder on there now. You can barely tell it apart from the other one. So let's put this back together, and then we will give it a try. We'll move on to the heating element. And attach the ribbon. Push this whole thing in. All right, with that bit of disturbance done, let's try this out. Right, it's working fine. So now, if we touch these two contacts here, we should have continuity. And there's nothing. Push it through. Now there's some little clips. You just kind of bend them up out of the way. That's it. Here's your heating element. Feed it through. This up here. And reattach the wires, of course, on either side here. I'm going to kind of run a sterilization cycle with 10% bleach. There isn't. So what we're going to do is actually just put the bleach, about 12 ounces, right here. I'm just going to leave it right there. So dishwasher uses about 2 or 3 gallons of water. That's 128 ounces of water. 10% of that is about 12, 13 ounces. You know, if anybody wants to comment on that, I don't give a crap. The soap capsule in here. And that's kind of it. So let's see what happens here now. We're gonna go up here. We'll give it normal. High temp scrub. Lights on. And we're gonna start her up. Well, I can hear it washing in there. The water heating light came on. So that's a good sign. Let's have a peek how it's doing in there. Woo! Nice and steamy. Let it finish up. All right, the cycle is done. Let's see what we have here. So this is a terrifying bucket of hot water, but it looks like it scours a bunch of crap out of there. It's good. So that looks much better. After that scrub, we ran another cycle. And no particular concerns now. Still getting some sediment. That was our bleach. But looks good down in there. So after we've been through a few cycles here, the water's definitely coming out much cleaner now. Bleach probably got rid of any mildew residue that was on there, and who knows, but I like it. All right, cheers. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day.